Today we are finishing our Jeff Koonz. He is the artist who does these large size balloon animal sculptures. Last week you shaded your little balloons. We traced and shaded. So today you want to make sure you go over so they're really blended and that you have a highlight. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut all of these out. I should have had these cut out before you came. So your final project is going to look like this. We're going to put your balloon dog in a space. So the other class did theirs in black. You guys are going to do yours in blue. So the first thing I want to do is I want to assemble my dog. And remember, I've got a short little piece for his tail, and his head has the little balloon knot on it. I guess I won't do it on blue so you can actually see the dog. So that's my tail. So you're going to pick one to be your body. I'm going to glue my tail on right there. When I do my legs, I want this highlight to be on the same side. So I'm going to glue one leg on the front, and I'm going to glue the other leg behind and close together. If you do them really far apart, you're not going to be able to assemble your dog. So the same thing for the front of my dog. I'm going to glue one on top and one behind. And they're going to overlap and be really close to each other. I'm then going to glue my, oops, that's not going to work. I'm then going to glue my headpiece, my neck, my head, and then on my last two pieces, again, I want the highlights to be the same. One ear goes on the front, and the other ear goes behind. And if I've done it correctly, my highlights will all kind of line up on the same side. I should have done these highlights going this way. And anywhere where you might need to, you can go back and add some extra highlights when you're all done. The reason I want you to build your dog first is so that if we run out of time, at least you won't have the random pieces. For your background, you can pick any color of green. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw some buildings. Then you can draw simple windows like this. Because again, these are in the background. Don't spend a lot of time on details because you're going to have grass and stuff behind there. Again, I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to cut fast. I kind of like a black line, so I'm leaving just a little bit of that black line to show. So I'm going to glue that on my paper. Next thing, I'm just going to draw kind of like some cartoon bushes. Just a few clusters of leaves to make it look like there are leaves on my bush. Same thing, I'm going to cut it out. Glue it on. I think they look good kind of in the middle of your paper. So you have a little space up on top. Since yours have a blue sky, it looks more like a sunny day. If you want to draw, only because this is kind of cartoony. You can draw a sun, you could draw some clouds. You're welcome to use crayons to color those in. And then the last thing I'm going to add is my cute little dog. And again, your dog can just set anywhere. Look at where your highlight is. My highlight's on this side. So maybe on here I just want to draw a few shadow lines. Bam, done.